One of the most common questions I'm asked is make a recommendation for an F5 style mandolin for under $1,000 that has a good tone, that's easy to play, and three, that looks good. So here I have a Breedlove FF crossover mandolin. It's got unusual stylistic differences than a Florentine mandolin, but I do like the way that the upper scroll looks, and the horn at the bottom is quite smaller than usual, but I still think the effect is quite pleasing. The F holes are also more like S holes than F holes, but it doesn't really affect the tone in any way. This instrument here was one of the first crossover mandolins from China, and it's very high quality. Breedlove, the company that was based in Oregon, had sent their luthiers over to look at various mandolin shops in China, and they selected one that they thought was on par with the quality that they were producing in the United States. And this is one of the first models that they came out with. As you can see, it's a solid spruce top and two-piece maple back and a solid maple neck. I like the shape of the headstock. It's quite pleasing. Rosewood fretboard and rosewood bridge. If you like, you can swap out the bridge with a handmade bridge by Bridger or Brecky Bridge, but I haven't had the need to do that. It's a very loud mandolin, quite a bit louder than I expected when I got it. I've been using it myself quite a lot lately because it has more of a mid-range tone, which is better for the styles of music that I play mostly, which are Celtic and classical. But it's also suitable for bluegrass and country music. So now you can buy this mandolin on from the Breedlove website. Also, a lot of guitar stores carry this brand, and I think it's retailing for about $600 or $700 right now. It does not come with a hard shell case, so you're going to want to get one of those for yourselves. It does fit in a standard F5 hard shell case, so that's a nice feature. If you have any questions, I'll put the links to reach me in the description below, and or you can post a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of new videos when I post them. Thanks very much for watching.